Hello, it's another time. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Madeshirima, the pro youngest top leading trader in Africa. I am so excited to welcome to my YouTube channel this morning. Before I proceed, please take note of the disclaimer in trading financial assets that trading Forex involves high risk, and you should be very, very careful while trading. Well, your past experience in trading financial assets does not guarantee your future results and returns. So you have to be very, very, very careful. And you have to know that you should only invest part of your money that you are willing to lose. Okay. And if at any moment you're looking for financial advisor, I'm not one. Just try to look for an independent financial advisor or a registered financial advisor for any financial advice. I'm only here to share my experience and knowledge, skills in trading financial assets. So, well, I welcome you guys to my channel this morning so that you can be able to share quite a number of things that I've prepared for the market this week. Okay. Well, as I do my financial market analysis, this is kind of a setup, just a part of my setup. I have quite a number of screens. So, yeah, so this is how my daily routine is for finding setups in the market. Okay, let's proceed to what I have today. Please take note. Okay, just before. Okay, I have USD, I have gold setup, a gold setup. This is what I have found this morning in gold. So I see a potential level, I see a potential zone here. I see this potential zone. So I'm looking for a market to bounce back to this zone. I'm looking for market to bounce back to this zone. It could proceed to this level, but this is my potential area where I want the market to reach. So it might bounce here and proceed down, but I would love to see this kind of correction in the market because we had a beautiful drop. So as always, I love to see the market correcting itself. So that is my view regarding gold for this week. And I have also Euro USD setup. I see quite a number of things in Euro USD. I see quite a big drop. I see quite a big drop, and I feel like the market has to make a correction back to this level. So I love to see a correction to this Fibonacci 6150. So please, if you take this trade, you have to make sure that you use proper risk management. And once the market reaches this point, to also reanalyze and see where the market actually is heading. So I see a potential retracement or pullback to this level. So yeah, I'll be looking forward to see the market going there. And again, I have some other setups as well. So I have, let's see, British Canadian dollar. So British card, GBP card. I see the market is at this level, this important level, and the market has broken this level with a good, and market is doing a good retracement or a bounce back that level. So I love to see the market coming to this level, this potential level. So this is how I see the market on GBP card. Please take note that this is not final. These are my views and skills and knowledge that I'm sharing the market. So this is what I see for GBP card. Okay. So let's see if we have another potential trade. I have couple. So I'll also, yes, but before we proceed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the red button, subscribe, so that you can be able to get more and enough analysis as I share. And also visit us and follow us on Instagram here. Just click and follow us on Instagram. We also have a Telegram channel. Please, you can also click here and you'll find us on Telegram channel, Facebook also, and Twitter. So please follow us as well to our other social media platforms for more updates, notifications, and more information. So let's proceed and see what CAD CHF has to offer to us. Well, regarding CAD CHF, this is what I see. I see this channel here, a potential channel here, downward channel here, which has been broken, and the price is coming to retest this level. But this, I don't see this as a strong retest. It might make a deep retracement. So what I will be looking at, I love to see the market coming to this level, making a breakout and retest coming upward. So if you're not confident to enter trade somewhere here, please wait for this level to be broken. Wait for this level to be broken, and if we get a good retest, then we can take it up. Okay, and I think I have one more, two more. I have USD card as well. I have USD card. USD card is a little bit interesting to me. So I'm looking at USD making a double top at this level. I'm waiting for the market to come at this level, then I'll be able to reanalyze again and see if I get a reversal candle for a bearish setup. So if at all you see a bearish setup after the market has bounced at this level, please, we can enter and take it down to that level. But for the price to keep on dropping, it has to break again this level. You have to understand that market has to make a correction as it moves. Market does not move in a straight direction. No, market moves in waves, right? In waves. So I would love to see once the market is here to break this level and bounce back before it proceed with the non-movement. So please take note of that as well. But you have to understand that you have to see a proper reversal candle before going to that direction. Oh, we have out the NZD. This is a beautiful setup. I love it. And I see on the daily chart, market has broken this level. And if you put your Fibonacci retracement indicator, you understand that at this particular level, it's somewhere 1561. So I love to see a proper bounce and retest at this particular level. Market might probably proceed, but if it has to proceed, then I love to see something like this. A breakout and retest, then a reversal pattern before it proceed. So all the time you have to understand that you have to really confirm with proper reversal patterns. So what are those reversal patterns? I teach them in a separate subscribe training. And also other people have been asking my entries have been good when they check them in my Instagram and my Telegram. So they wonder, how do I really get into the market? How do I exit? How do I do the risk management? How do I get the snipper entry? Well, I have an advanced full course and training and mentorship, whereby if you go to my Instagram and my Telegram channel, you might be able to actually get much information regarding my trainings. Okay, so let's proceed. We have CAD JPY. Well, CAD JPY, I see market has made a double bottom here, a double bottom with a clear pattern. So market is actually going up. And if you look at, if you put a Fibonacci retracement, you might find this one somewhere here, somewhere this particular area is actually 50 and 61 Fibonacci retracement. So if the market bounce here with a clear reversal pattern, then we might take CAD JPY up to this level. But again, you have to make sure that you get clear confirmation before you jump into any trade. Well, we also have EuroCAD. EuroCAD is quite good as well. So let's see what EuroCAD has. We have this channel here. We have this channel here, which is actually being broken. beautiful. It has been broken, so we could see a bounce of the channel, and the market has potential to come back, to come down for a bearish trend. So let's look, and again we have Fibonacci retracement at 60 and 51, at 61 and 50, our potential Fibonacci area. So I love to see a bounce and a reversal candle printing at this around this area. So as a confirmation for me to go down to this level. So for this week, that's all I have. That's all I have for this week. Let's see how the market actually will print and will play. Will play, so we have a potential setup for the week. Again, before we leave this channel, this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on Instagram. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Also on our Telegram channel, we have much more important news and much more information regarding training, signals, and account management. So be and follow us, be part of our community on Instagram and Telegram channel. But also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I love to get your support, be part of our community. It's always good to trade together and share knowledge. So for today, that's all I have, guys, and I'll see you later in some other as the market moves along the week. So I will share much more insight on how I actually see the market moving for this week. So, well, until next time, I just wish you a very, 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 very good week. And well, I wish you all the best, and have good trading moment. So ciao.